In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube dark mode not working in 2025. If you've been struggling with switching your YouTube to dark mode and it's just not happening, don't worry, you're not alone and I'm here to help guide you through it. Let's dive right in and tackle this issue together. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to YouTube. This should be something you're already familiar with, but if you're not, just type youtube.com into the address bar and hit enter. Now that you're on the YouTube homepage, let's move on to the next step. Once you've landed on the YouTube site, you'll want to look to the top right corner where you'll see your profile icon. This is typically found at the top right and could be represented by your profile picture or just a generic icon. Go ahead and click on that icon, which will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and YouTube settings. Now, if you don't see the appearance option on the list, don't panic. This is a common issue and can be resolved quite easily. What you want to do next is a simple yet often overlooked step: refresh the page. You can do this by clicking the refresh button next to the address bar, or by pressing F5 on your keyboard if you're using a Windows PC. Sometimes this little refresh can work wonders and make those missing settings appear. If refreshing the page doesn't bring up the appearance option, it might be a good idea to check whether your web browser is up to date. An outdated browser can cause certain features to not work correctly on YouTube. To update your browser, navigate to your browser's settings, find the section labeled About Browser Name, and check for updates. Instructions may vary slightly depending on your browser, but the option to update should be fairly easy to find. Keeping your browser up to date is crucial, not just for YouTube, but for overall browsing security and efficiency. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have your YouTube dark mode functioning correctly. While these solutions are often enough to resolve the issue, remember that sometimes a combination of steps is required. Don't hesitate to try refreshing the page again or double checking your browser update if things don't work perfectly the first time. With just a bit of patience, you'll be enjoying YouTube in dark mode without any hitches. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment or a thumbs up below. Happy viewing!